In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma Styles and Libraries. By the end, you'll know how to create consistent colors and text across your designs, apply them quickly, and share them with your team using libraries. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can work directly with real elements on the canvas. We'll begin with color styles. Select any object that already has the color you want to save. In the right-hand panel, look at the fill or stroke section. Click the four-dot style icon, then hit the plus button to create a new style. Give your color a clear reusable name so it's easy to find later, like a brand or usage-based name. Once saved, this color becomes a single source of truth you can apply to any object. If you ever tweak it, those changes can flow through your entire file automatically. Next, let's create text styles. Select a text layer that's set to the font, size, and line height you like. In the text section of the right panel, click the same four-dot icon and save it as a text style. This locks in the key typographic settings, font family, weight, size, and line height. So headings, body copy, and captions stay consistent as your design grows. To use your styles, click an object. Open the four-dot icon for either fill, stroke, or text, and pick from your saved list. Applying styles this way keeps everything aligned and makes large-scale updates effortless. If you need to adjust a style, select the style from the right-hand side and click the Edit slider icon. Change the properties there, and Figma will update all instances automatically, saving you from hunting across frames or pages. Now let's talk libraries. Libraries let you share your styles and even components across different files so everyone works from the same visual language. When your styles are ready to share, open the Assets panel in the left sidebar. Click the library book icon and click Publish. This makes your styles available to other files. In a new file, open the Assets panel, click the library icon again and toggle on the library you want to use. Your published styles will appear alongside local ones ready to be applied just like before. That's it! Thanks for watching.